What's up everybody, welcome to another episode of the greatest vlog in the world. My name is Jeff, your favorite tour guide in Madeira, and today it is Saturday. We are in the Funchal market and we are exploring with you guys, looking for some little Easter egg hunting, and maybe even some flowers as well because we're in that season. So yeah, it's Saturday in Funchal. We're gonna give you a little bit of a breakdown on what you want to see on a Saturday, what Funchal's like on a Saturday. So we're gonna give you loads of value. We're gonna eat some chocolate and we're gonna enjoy our Easter. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So we're on the top of the market, on the top floor of the Funchal market. They've got this little coffee place here. I don't know the name of it, but they make juice, fresh juice and milkshakes and stuff like that. So quite like this place. We're waiting for some food because we're all kind of slow. It is Easter Saturday. So yesterday was Good Friday and we had a big, family reunion kind of thing. Tomorrow's Easter Sunday again. We're going to be getting together with family. And if you don't know, in Portugal, all of the religious festivals, Christmas, Easter, it's all very, very well followed. So on Easter weekend, you can expect very little work done, very little places open and things like that. And usually on a Saturday, it's kind of like that as well. So I'm going to take you through all of that today, give you some ideas, what you can do, what you can't do. I'm having a pineapple milkshake, because I am quite a big pineapple fan. Oh, and it is fantastic. It's liquid pineapple, really. It's that good. Do you want to try it? Try it, babe. No, try it, babe. It's really good. You're running away from the camera today. Yeah. She's feeling a bit fragile from Good Friday, I think. Right, we're gonna go in. So this market is well known for expensive fruits. I don't want to be too scandalous over here because, I'm quite a positive and happy kind of guy. So I don't want to be like pointing out the negatives. But yeah, if you're going to be eating your fruit, just, be careful, do your research. But we're going to go looking for something that we can buy, that we can show you, something more traditional, Easter-ish. I don't know, it's very busy. So yeah, let's go inside and check out what we can find. And then I'm going to tell you about this little thing over here. Smoked jalapeno. Smoked jalapeno. Yeah. Mira, jalapeno. Just kidding. You see that over there? Does that look familiar to you? Funchal. Funchal. Right, Funchal is where the name Funchal comes from. It's fennel. And I love these things, these little sweets. This is another one, zait loro. This is like an olive oil kind of thing. A zait usually is olive oil, but loro comes from the laurel tree, from the Laurisilva forest. So this is, I'm not even going to try and figure out how they make it, but it is quite pricey. Like you can see, this thing is 50 bucks.
This is held as the people's medicine.
The people's medicine, exactly. So some say it's anti-cancerous. And they do, a lot of the locals do like what they call like a tratamento, treatment, where they do this like for like 2 weeks. They have a teaspoon of this inside water. It's supposed to be super, super healthy. Little old local tradition. So nice to see in the Funchal market, and for 50 bucks, it's not bad. Anyway, we're gonna take back some peppers and stuff. We got, what is this? A smoked jalapeno. Jalapeno. I don't know how to say it, but sorry? Chipotle? Is that what chipotle means? I just figured out what chipotle means. So when you come out to a Funchal market, you obviously have to taste the stuff. And this is probably one of the best tips I can give to you guys. This is a different kind of banana. This is what we call banana massin, which translates directly to banana apple. And it's got like more of almost like a whitish tinge to it on the side, kind of hard to explain. But if you ask for banana massin, banana apple, you have to try it because it's super sweet and super nice. And I really, really like the texture. Oscar, look at these ones. They're so small. So small. Look at this inside my head. But sweet. Or some custard apple. Look at this one. This is ripe. It's super soft. It's about to explode, huh? It's gonna... in the heat it will explode, you know? No. Very nice. I actually enjoyed having a little chat with this lady on the top floor. So at the moment we're exploring the top floor. And then I think it's maybe time to get out of here. We'll see if we find one more little thing that's a little bit interesting. We're gonna buy some banana massin and we're gonna get moving. This is the only banana that diabetics can eat because of the sugar levels. How cool is that, right? So I like this lady. I think I might be making more stops. Como é que chama?
Daniela.
Daniela, muito obrigado.
E você?
Jeff. Yeah. Right, so before we leave the market, I want to talk about a little bit about this over here. We had a collaboration request this week. One of our friends from, two of our friends, Marcel and Julie from Acuna Madeira, from the YouTube channel Acuna Madeira, gave us this little Easter basket with loads of little Easter eggs and Easter bunny and even some makeup for Elisa that looks like she's enjoying.
Happy Easter.
Thank you, Julia.
How do you say that in Portuguese?
Boa Páscoa.
Boa Páscoa.
Boas Páscoas. Thank you guys, thank you everybody, and you need to like and subscribe to their channel. So go ahead, do that now, and we'll see you in Madeira one day. Yeah? So I wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you to Acuna Madeira. If you guys are German speaking, then you got to follow this young couple from Germany who have been living in Madeira for maybe about 1.5 years now. I don't know, you can kind of fix that one for me if you guys are watching, but you want to follow them because yeah, they're really getting into the lifestyle thing in Madeira and you can learn a lot from them. Thank you, Marcel and Julia. I guess next year I'll get Easter for us, yeah? It's actually a lot busier than expected. I thought that Funchal today would be kind of like a little bit of a ghost town with people spending time with their families and stuff like that. I'm quite certain yesterday must have been like that on Good Friday and maybe Sunday. But we're on the high street here, Rua Fernão Ornelas, and it's quite buzzing. Lots of people out for coffees and drinks and you know, getting together. So we're gonna see if we can get some chocolates. All right, I've got a plan. So come with me. Let's see if the chocolate place is open. And if it is, we'll see if we can get some Easter eggs, Easter bunnies, and things like that that we can give to our friends Marcel and Julia. So let's go. That's the new mission. Let's do it. Let's do it. Cheerio. All good things are sold out. So you guys know this is Wow Cacao. This is my favorite chocolate place for sure. I think everybody's favorite chocolate place. They make loads of cool chocolates with all the fruit flavors of Madeira. My particular favorites are pineapple, passion fruit. They've got blueberry, pistachio. There's also Madeira wine. They used to make a really, really good poncha one a couple of years ago, but now the recipe's changed. It's a little bit different. But there's so much cool stuff here that you guys can check out. And happy to hear that they are in fact open on a Saturday until 4 o'clock. So a bit of a surprise for me. I thought it would have been closed a little bit earlier, but good to know. So we're gonna get a couple of chocolates now. We're gonna get a coffee, we're gonna sit down, and then we'll carry on. So don't go anywhere. Passion fruit, pistachio, manga, there's a new one, manga. Manga in Portuguese. Oh my God. You can leave this in, Andrea. Don't worry, I'm just making a fool of myself. So we're in the municipal garden. All right, this is in the center of Funchal. And this is a great idea for you guys coming out to Funchal on the weekend. The gardens are all open and there's a few of them and you can spend some time checking out all the flowers and things. Today there's actually like a little fair, like a little flea market kind of thing going on there. So we're gonna have a look around, you know, and yeah, show you some flowers because it's almost flower season. It's almost flower festival. It's the end of this month, I believe. We're gonna be busy. We're on the big walk our epic hiking adventure. And when I say ours, I say hers. Hey,
Yeah.
because you're gonna be the one doing all the work, isn't it? Oh no. We're looking forward to it though. But yeah, let's check out some flowers, and we're gonna take you out on a little trip of Funchal. You'll never go hungry in Funchal on a Saturday or a Sunday because we do have McDonald's and Pizza Huts open. So if you look, these guys, they're always open till pretty late. So there are places to eat. When I say that places will be closed, it's these little small shops. Here's another little cool little monument as well. This is for our explorers, our immigrants. Actually, I think it's how like the Madeiran immigrants had the world at their hands, you know? It's just power, Madeira immigrant power. Let's go. This is new for me. I'm a huge pineapple fan, as you can see already, and Oscar just pointed out that these guys make pina coladas in the pineapple, huh? So you're gonna walk around with a pineapple. Sounds interesting. Sounds cinematic. So we're gonna do this just for the vlog. While they make our pina colada, I wanted to let you guys know that for April, our sightseeing tour business is already almost full. There's very few spaces left for our tours. Remember, we run the best tour company in the world that happens to be in Madeira. And if you want to join us exploring everything outside of Funchal, then head to hittheroadmadeira.com and put in Hugo for President at checkout when booking your tour and get 10% off with the world's best tour guide company. So yeah, do that before it's too late. I'm actually quite surprised. There's a lot of people here, and there's a reflection in the bookings and things like that. For those of you guys who watch regularly, you know that when it comes summertime, I'm saying these things, and it's not to sell more tours. It's just to help you guys not to miss out, because almost every day we're telling people that we're too full, that we can't take them because they're waiting to get to Madeira before they book their things, and it's too late. So make sure to do that. Should we go see if it's ready, Oscar? Let's go. My swimming pool drink. I like to be in the swimming pool when I'm drinking a pina colada on a hot day. But this one will do. This works. And you get all this pineapple with it. You want some, babe? The things we do for the vlog. The vlogs are getting more and more expensive per day. It's like rooftops of Funchal, 12 euro cocktails. You guys need to book some tours. Behind me is the Zona Vela of Funchal, what we call the old town of Funchal, the historical center of Funchal, whatever you want to call it. This is the place that's very famous for the painted doors. There's like a little alley that you can see all the painted doors at. This art exhibition, we're gonna go and show you that in a second. And probably, like I said earlier, one of like the top 5 places or top 10 places in Funchal to visit. So you do want to come out here and actually check this place out. Also because it's quite touristic. So remember, there are going to be lots of touristic places open, but it is that thing, touristic, which isn't bad, you know, like I'm enjoying my pineapple. So, you know, I don't know what the big fuss is. Everyone's like, oh, we want to go local, we want to go local, we want to go local. It's like, yeah, do you want laranjada and vinho seco maybe? And then they drink it and they're like, no, we want pineapple pina coladas. So come with me, let me show you the cool spots. And we're gonna end off with a little poncha and get into just some kind of housekeeping with you guys, with some new things coming out and things like that, which you already know, but yeah. Come with me, it all makes sense in a bit. Let me show you. Less blabbing, more Madeira stuff, eh? Yeah, let's go. Everyone thinks we're famous, babe. Everyone thinks we're famous. Eh? It's like TV stars. Look, it's Portuguese TV stars. They tell them we're from novellas and things. Yeah, maybe from the soap operas. Yeah, I mean, you could pass me, not so much. I hope you guys have enjoyed our little trip through Funchal today. It's actually been quite nice for us to be out and about, stress-free, you know. So I just hope that this has all been quite valuable for you guys. I hope you've taken everything that you need from it. And if you haven't, and you are coming to Madeira in the next couple of months this year, and you're looking for help, either traveling and visiting Madeira or moving to Madeira, then you need to join our Patreon account, which is basically our VIP club for everybody at Hit the Road Madeira. And for only €4.50 you can support us by buying a poncha, right? So this keeps this vlog alive and helps to bring you more content that you're looking for, and also gets you into the draw to win a vacation in 2024. So there's all sorts of great things in our Patreon account. You want to check that out, and that's where you're going to get even more insider tips and never seen before exclusive content and sneak peeks to our new tours. I'm building my new tour. I'm on the road soon. My shoulder is feeling great. I'm already driving really nicely, which means in the next few weeks I'll be on the road with the 4x4 at hittheroadmadeira.com. It's going to be awesome. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Oscar,
Let's hit the road.
let's hit the road.
Yeah.
He's got it.
Yeah.
I think he's got it.
Yeah.
Andrea, you're fired.
No, dude, no. I can't edit yet. All right. Bye.
Okay, we'll keep Andrea for now.